Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech review. Today we're going to be checking out some desk LEDs that come in at an extremely cheap price. Before we get any further, make sure to check out the product in the description below and enjoy this quick montage to see what they look like on your TV. So, the main thing that attracted me to this product was its main selling feature. This is that it reduces eye strain in the dark and reduces reflection on your low-end monitors. You can find some very expensive lights that do this, such as hue lights. However, this thing only comes in at $6.99 on Amazon. That's a very attractive price for LEDs themselves, and considering these could offer you some health benefits, it's pretty surprising. Anyway, straight into the box. It's pretty jam-packed. First of all, we have the remote controller. Yes, this is not Bluetooth, it does not connect to your phone. However, I'm going to talk about that a bit more later. Here is the power cable. Fairly short, but we'll get into that again a bit more later. And we've just got the LEDs and the user's manual. Overall, pretty nice jam-packed box. So as far as the user's manual goes, it's in 4 languages. It does a job, tells you how to set it up. But this product's pretty straightforward, and I don't think you'll have any issues setting it up yourself, but it's worth a read. The LEDs themselves are on this wheel, but I don't recommend opening them until you've measured your monitor and cleaned it. I'll get more onto that a bit later. Next, we have the remote controller. So this, of course, isn't Bluetooth. Being this price, if it were Bluetooth, then it'd be too good to be true. Anyway, we've got it here. It works fairly well and the range is good. However, usually you'll be using these on the back of your monitor if you want them to do their true job. And if they are on the back of your monitor, then unless you've got your sensor dangling down a bit underneath the monitor will be interfering and you'd have to kind of poke the controller around the back to actually use it. However, this, like I said, doesn't mean the range is short. The range is actually very long, but the monitor is just in the way. There's pretty much all the colours you see on anything like this, so that's impressive, and it's got lots of different modes which we'll get into a little bit later. You've also got the battery compartment on the bottom. Build quality is good, but for something like this, it doesn't really need to be built that well if it's just sitting on your desk. Moving swiftly on to the power cable, it's not bad. I hook it into the back of my computer, but it can be used with any USB, it works fine. It is a little bit on the shorter side, but for most people it should be okay. If you are having to plug it into a plug socket, then you're probably going to be scuffed on the length. But if you're connecting it to a laptop or a PC, then it should be fine. The quality is good, and it works as expected. Not really much to say about it. Here you can see how the LEDs connect to the power cable. The connection's fairly strong, but if the power cable's on a lot of strain because it's too short for you, then you will find it very weak and annoying. Hands on, the strip feels great. You've got cut points located on the white lines on the copper. And other than that, it's as you'd expect. It has a rubbery texture and you just peel off this red tape when you're ready to use it. There are a few things I did that I recommend you do before you put it on. First off is clean the back of your monitor. Any bits of dust and muck will stop it from sticking as well as it can, so make sure you just clean it first. It's really quick and easy. Now, once it's taped, so I recommend before you permanently tape it down, you maybe use some sellotape, duct tape, whatever you've got, and try out some positions. Use it for a day or a couple hours or something like that, and once you found the position you like, peel off the tape and you can go for it. So yeah, in conclusion, if you are looking for some great LEDs, but you really are trying to save those pennies, these are definitely the LEDs you want to get. They've really improved my workspace, and I generally had no clue that you could get them so cheap. I've been looking at these hue lights and they're all just so expensive, it's off-putting. But these are very attractive with their only $6.99 price point. All the links will be in the description below, and thank you to AMIR for providing me with this unit to review. Make sure to stop by for my weekly reviews and live streams. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.